Okay, I think we are rolling. Okay, Elena, we class let out early and I was distracted trying to help people troubleshoot and get a tutorial for our camp, so I didn't actually help you learn how to do heads in Minecraft. So this is a short little tutorial to show you how to do that. So there's a few different components. As usual, you would connect to the beta server and you have to give yourself what is called a command block. And you can do that with the give command. So give space and then your account name, and then you should be able to do command underscore block. And you'll see that I have 64 that have popped into my inventory there. And the reason I need the command block is in order to run this command, it's a very long command. And so it has to be stored in a command block. You can't just type it in the chat like you might other kinds of commands. Sorry, we have the rain coming down here. All right. So if I put down a command block, we also need a way to trigger the command block. So any old button will work. I'm going to choose the Blackstone button here because it's a little bit easier to see. If you have to hold down the Shift key in order to place it on the command block, otherwise you will enter into the interface of the command block, which is the next thing that you want to mess with. Where you're going to get the commands for the heads comes from this website. So I'm going to zoom in here. There we go. Hopefully you can read this. It is minecraftheads.com, minecraft-heads.com. And on this website, you can find all kinds of heads. So for instance, if you wanted to do pasta, I can type pasta into the search box here and we will get all kinds of head responses. Some of these might not make sense. Like somebody might have something in their description that is about pasta, or you get things like pasta sauce. But if you wanted to do this bowl of pasta here, you can click on that. It may give an ad, just hit close, try to ignore the ad, and it will bring you to this page where you have all sorts of information about it. But the main thing you need here is this give code. So you can copy this give code. Now it doesn't quite work all the way. So we can put it into our command block here, but I'm going to hit the home key to go all the way to the front of this, and we have to change something. So one of our developers is really reliant on this plugin called Essentials X. It messes with all of the core functionality of Minecraft. So to make Essentials X play nice with us here, we have to type Minecraft : oops, you have to spell Minecraft right. There we go, Minecraft : give for that command. And then all the rest of it stays the same. I can hit done. You can see how long that command is. It's not very human readable. And if I open up a slot in my inventory here, I should be able to just click on that button and it will feed me this bowl of pasta. And now I can put those down all over the place. They act as like little miniature blocks. You can do the perfectly aligned if you want with a block, or you can do the mid angles. You can also, if I fly over here to the wall, I can stick pasta on the wall. Look at that. So it will stick on the side. It will not stick to the bottom of a block. So unfortunately, like if I'm gonna build up some things. So if I take my head out here and I try to put it on the bottom, you'll see it will float in the air. So it doesn't really work as a hanging item. But other than that, they work pretty well. If you want to select an existing block, like if I had this cauliflower out here, and let's say I didn't have it in my inventory anymore, I can hold down the control key on the keyboard, and then I press the middle mouse button, what is normally your scroll wheel on a mouse. Most scroll wheel mouses, you can actually press the whole wheel down. It actually goes down into the mouse. You press down on that and it will select whatever block you're looking at with exactly the same parameters. If you don't hold down the control key and you press that, what it will do is just do the Minecraft head item, which is the general all-purpose head. So I think that's most of what you would need. One other little trick is I like to have like a little library of head items. So I'll have an ender chest here and I'll stick that in on the ground, and then I can put things like the heads that I'm using often in the ender chest, and then I can destroy that and fly somewhere else. And if like I need to get to my little head library, put the chest down, pop it open, and it's right there. So I don't have to type the code again and again or make a new command block every time I want to do this. I just kind of have my head library ready to go. So I think that covers it. If you run into more trouble or have more questions, let me know. You can just email me and I'll try to help you out.